Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I guess this year is going to be an interesting year for Microsoft. And also, we talked this week about could Windows 12 be a surprise? There's another reason for Windows 12 could be a surprise this year, and it has to do with the fact that Microsoft is celebrating its 50th anniversary. So 50 years of Microsoft this year. And so time flies when you think about it, from the 70s to today. What is interesting in here, so this is a website I'll share if you guys want to go and see it. It's a special page that's been done for the 50 years. So you have a timeline, you have all of the info, press pack with photos, fact sheets, video assets for download, media inquiries, and cheers to 50 years, a look back at the iconic moments and stories from our history. So there's a lot of stuff in there. Microsoft's 50. We know on April the 4th, there will be a live stream of a Copilot 50-year event, they call it. So it's they're going to probably talk about AI a little more. But throughout the year, we expect to have other announcements and other live streams for the celebrations. And what is interesting in here is that how good of a time, how great of a moment it would be to just say, well, here's our anniversary surprise. Here's Windows 12 or whatever it's going to be called. So this is an interesting year for many reasons. Coincides also with the end of support for Windows 10 for free, of course. And that means that, I don't know, I have the impression that this year will have quite a few surprises from Microsoft for its 50th birthday. So it's going to be something interesting to check out. I will be looking at the presentation of April 4th with Copilot. It's going to be interesting to see. I'll probably do a video to resume exactly what was announced and what was shown. And, happy 50th birthday to Microsoft. A lot of us have been with the products of the company for a long time. Mine goes back to about 1988, 89 with my first PC, which was a PC XT. Then I went to a 286. Then I jumped from a 286 to a 486 DX100. And then Pentium was the next step. DOS, Windows 3.1, all of that. Wow. Souvenirs. There was actually an interesting conversation. I went to have a few beers at a local bar Tuesday, and there's two guys talking about dial-up modems and going into DOS and the first Windows PC they had, and it was like really nostalgia time. It was pretty incredible. So if you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.